Salt Lake City window installation services are renowned for their quality and efficiency. When considering window installation, it's crucial to choose a company that understands the unique climate and architectural styles of Salt Lake City, Utah. Our replacement windows Salt Lake City experts provide top-notch window solutions tailored to your specific needs, ensuring that your home is both beautiful and energy efficient. Energy-efficient windows in Utah are a must-have for homeowners looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, making them an excellent investment. Our energy-efficient windows in Salt Lake City are available in various styles, including double-hung windows and casement windows, to match any home design. Vinyl windows Salt Lake City offers are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance. Vinyl windows are resistant to the harsh weather conditions of Utah, making them a long-lasting option for homeowners. Our window contractors in Salt Lake City specialize in vinyl window installation, ensuring a perfect fit and finish for your home. Custom replacement windows Salt Lake City residents love are available in a wide range of designs and materials. Whether you're looking for bay windows or casement windows Utah homeowners prefer, our window companies in Utah can create the perfect custom solution for your home. Custom windows not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also improve its overall value. Window replacement Salt Lake City services are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home. Over time, windows can become damaged or outdated, leading to increased energy costs and decreased curb appeal. Our Salt Lake City window contractors offer comprehensive window replacement services, including window glass replacement Utah and Salt Lake City window frame replacement, to restore your home's beauty and efficiency. Window replacement Salt Lake City services are available for those who need quick and reliable fixes. Whether it's a minor crack or a more significant issue, our window replacement experts in Salt Lake City can handle it all. We provide fast and efficient window replacement services to ensure your home remains secure and energy efficient. Window installation cost Utah homeowners face can vary depending on the type and style of windows chosen. Our Window Estimates Salt Lake City services provide transparent pricing and detailed information on the costs involved. We offer competitive pricing on all window installation services in Salt Lake City, ensuring you get the best value for your investment. Window styles Salt Lake City residents prefer range from traditional to modern designs. Our window materials Salt Lake City options include wood, vinyl, and aluminum, allowing you to choose the perfect match for your home's architecture. With a variety of window designs Utah homeowners can select from, you're sure to find the ideal style to complement your home. Window maintenance Utah services are crucial for prolonging the life of your replacement windows Salt Lake City. Regular maintenance can prevent costly installations and replacements down the line. Our window maintenance services in Salt Lake City include cleaning, sealing, and inspecting your windows to ensure they remain in top condition.